Greetings to all. In today's class, we will learn the definition of a plane's orientation. This is important because the applied material on the plane is affected by its orientation. Here we are going to use the shape tool and the pen bucket. Let's get started. We can see the light reflection on the plane change when we move our points of view. If we turn to the back side, the plane displays a gray color, different from the bright color displayed on the front side. This is how we tell the orientation of the plane. The brighter side is the front, while the gray color side is the back. Now we paint the front side using the color steel. In the up right corner of the window, we can see a small window named Default Tray. Under the category Entity Information is shown the information of the selected objects. If there is no entity information shown in the default tray, we can go to Window and the Default Tray, then entity information can be shown. We can see there are two faces icons for the plane in the entity information. The left one indicates the color of the front side, and the right one the color for the back side. Now we give the back side of our plane a material. Finally, we get a plane with both painted. You can confirm this by looking at the color of the faces shown under the entity information. In this class, we learned that every plane we draw has two faces, and we give different material to each face. The material in one face won't affect the material on the other face, and their light refraction vary with our perspective. Let's stop learning for now. Goodbye.